Simple, 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 simple. Get yourself a pitcher or a jug. Lemon juice, sweet situation, and you're gonna need some maple. And this is our delicious syrupy part of this drink. It's so easy. And we need a pinch of salt, just a wee pinch. And I have some beautiful activated charcoal here. Straight into here. And just give that a nice stir. Put a little bit of the syrup in there. And a little bit in here. And then some ice. And then some sparkling glory. And you have yourself the most delicious. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Cheers. Add vodka in it or gin. Simple drink, absolutely divine, totally gorgeous. You're gonna love this. So you're just gonna dump everything into here. Now, how much ginger and turmeric, follow the recipe. I'm gonna leave the skins on. Sometimes I like a little bit more turmeric on some days than I do other days, and sometimes I like a little bit more ginger, it just depends, but follow the recipe, it works. So I'm leaving the skins on, it is washed. Got some turmeric there, it's a little amount. These graters are fantastic, they're very, very sharp. Okay, this is gonna go straight into here, into my blender. Turmeric straight into there. I've got the maple syrup. Oh my God, I just want to drink this stuff. Then I've got some acid of the divine lemon, and I've got loads of ice. Okay, now I'm gonna blend. This is where you're gonna taste to see what it's like. Oh my God, it's so good, so good. Okay, and straight into our glass of glory. And I want that thick, kind of slushy texture. I want a little bit of a lemon there. And I want a glass straw because, you know, this is what we do, this is how we roll. And that, my friends, is how you make the best coconut lemon lassi on the planet. This is for you. This celebrates you. It induces your inner health contract. It allows you to have that flavour and that deliciousness without taking from your taste buds. And it is incredibly beautiful when you're on a detox thing. You're gonna need a really big handful of parsley straight into the blender and some lime juice. And there's about 3 limes here. Now it seems a lot, but it's so delicious. Pinch of salt and some maple. Loads of ice, water, and we're going to blend. And this is where you're going to taste and make a decision. Is that enough sweetness for you? You need to make the decision. And slushies are designed to look like this. To slush up. It's exactly what they're designed to do. So this is a beautiful green slushie. Oh, here you go, mate. Cheers. So refreshing. This is magnificent.